Let me tell y'all something. I would never cut the rear end out of my brunt work pants like Cody did for Cloud. Okay, I wouldn't do it. Now what I would do is tell you about this badass 500-gallon pit here. Now this is going on my man Nick, Rattlesnake Barbecue down in Texas. Let me tell you something. This is a big boy pit right here. If you're a little girl, this ain't the pit for you. You need a Traeger. This right here, big boy pit. If you're a man, get your 500-gallon TMG pit. All right, now this one's on our off-road package. You can see we got the upgraded wheels and tires. This is our XL package. We got the 15-inch mod wheel, 28-inch mud tire on that bad boy. On a 500, you got to, guys. That's the way to go. Now on the tank itself, we brought our patina finish. That's what it comes standard with. We got a very huge Bigley selection of propane tanks back behind the camera here. You pick out the tank you want. We do all our metal work, coated in clear coat. Looks great, guys. All right, now we'll open her up. We have got the counterweighted doors. That is standard on the 500. You got to have that. Now what's not standard are these slick stainless steel round bar grates, okay? Nothing wrong with wire mesh, guys. We've been using wire mesh since before I was born. But the stainless steel round bar, whew, looks good. It ain't cheap. I'll go and tell you that. It is not cheap, but it is well worth it. Very easy to clean, gonna last forever for you. They're all right, don't worry about them. You can brag to all your buddies about how you got stainless steel grates in your smoker. We got the Texas Rattlesnake Barbecue logo on the side of the firebox there. Speaking of firebox, I'm sure y'all are wondering, I'll show you. It is fully insulated. Front of it's insulated, the door's insulated as well. Holds heat great. We've got D-ring tie downs on all four corners and a folding stack up front there to finish her off, guys. That's standard equipment on every tank smoker, the old fold down stack, as well as that 1.5-inch ball valve grease drain. So folks, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.